Ndị Igbo daalụ nọ anọ. Afam bụ Osai Magnus Onyekachukwu aka Unweze Chime dịka kono se mara na Facebook. This is what we have been saying for so long now. I chọrọ dị na mma ndị Igbo. Come home and invest. This is Zion City Estate. And as ụmụ Igbo niile wete akụnụba, wete investment niile. Ọ bịa n'ụlọ bịa ka invest. As you can see, this is our land, the expanse of land. Any way you want it, it's very close to the express. And this estate is in Olo Ogwash, very close to Obasanjo Farm. 10 minutes to Ogwash Polytechnic. Come, let me show you more of what we have. Well, this is the breadth and length of our land. Come home and invest. Your investment can make an Igbo. You can build your hospital, you can build your school, your bungalow, whatever you want to build is a welcome development here. Come and buy your land from Dway City Estate. It's affordable and reliable. Thank you, Umunnem. An Igbo Gamama. Ishiagwale.